Veggies by Eos. Today I will be showing you how I am making Sam's Club acai bowls. So these are like apparently pre-packaged. You just take it out. I mean, I don't know what it looks like yet, so we're gonna find out together. But before you watch this video, you should go ahead and pause and head to my how to make your own acai bowl from scratch. These, I was really interested in these. It was $10 and it comes with 4 of them. I'll bring this closer. So yeah, this was $10. It comes with 4 of them. And compared to making it from scratch, this is a little expensive, but if you compare this to like, if you go out to eat and get an acai bowl, this is really cheap, because usually they charge like $10 for one acai bowl, and this does come with 4 of them. So yeah, check out my other video to see how to make your own acai bowl, like just from scratch. But I want to go ahead and buy these, try them out, see how I like them. I'll go ahead and start opening. Okay, so I was not expecting this at all. Like, it literally comes in a bowl. I'll get a little bit closer. So like this plastic on top, you can kind of sort of see it. So literally a bowl. And then, so it comes with 4 of these. And then it comes with 4 of these as well. So you can tell that there's obviously granola and coconut in there. Again, just looking at the portion sizes, because obviously before I opened it, I couldn't tell how big it was going to be exactly. But yeah, looking at the portion sizes, I would say this is slightly overpriced, like compared to what I could make just with my own stuff, but still cheaper than going out to eat. So, especially if you're on time constraint, this is definitely going to be your best bet as opposed to making it, like if you don't have time to make it yourself. I haven't even looked at the directions yet, so I don't know if I'm putting that in the microwave. That wouldn't make sense. So there are 2 different directions for if you want to just sit it out at room temperature for 60 to 65 minutes, so about an hour, or if you do want to microwave it. It says set granola packet aside and remove the film, heat and microwave for 45 seconds, stir, and heat for an additional 10 seconds. So I guess that's what we're going to do now. This doesn't look that appetizing. I mean, like, you can tell they made used acai though, because you can really see that purple color. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and microwave for 45 seconds. I like how you can like really see the fruit in there. You know what? I should try to make my own frozen, like I should make my own acai bowls like in bulk and then freeze them and then do this. So like, you know, meal prepping, but instead of meal prepping food, you're just meal prepping acai bowls. You could do this. I should do that one day. Save some money. But yeah, I'm gonna go pop this in the microwave. So I'm gonna be honest, I did the 45 seconds and like, it's still like, I mean, it's not frozen, but like, it's frozen. Oh, that moves, but this is kind of, I don't know how this is gonna work. So I'm gonna have to microwave it a lot longer than 45 seconds. So I'll be back. I just dropped the spoon, but I guess I'll get another one. While we're waiting for it to microwave, I'm probably gonna leave it in there too long because I'm talking now, but in case you wanna see the package again, apparently it's Tattooed Chef. I mean, I got this at Sam's Club, but obviously it's not like Sam's Club brand. So the brand that makes this, or the company, is Tattooed Chef. So I've never heard of them, but I mean, the packaging looks really nice. I don't know if Sam's Club is the only place that sells this. Let me know if you've ever seen this or heard of this brand. I've never heard of it before, so I don't know. I don't really know how long I had it in there. You can kind of mix it now. Parts of it, I don't know if you can really see this. Parts of it are definitely like edible, and then parts of it are not. So I've been mixing it for a few minutes. There was a big chunk, there's still kind of a chunk. This is the only thing that's still a chunk, so obviously not very big. But yeah, after mixing it for about a minute or so, it's pretty good consistency now. I'm like scared it's gonna be hot because it was in the microwave. Ooh, that's like really strong. That's really strong. Let me put the toppings in first, so let me do that. So I just put all the toppings in. You can kind of see. Like I said, it's really strong. I'm gonna be honest, and I'm not just saying this, I like acai bowls better when I make them homemade compared to this. I probably wouldn't buy this again. Like, obviously I'm gonna eat the other 3 I have in that container, but I don't think I'd buy this again. It's not horrible. Like, I wouldn't tell you not to buy it. I don't know. Maybe I would. I would say, if you don't have time and you love acai bowls and your options like buying this or going out and spending $10 on an acai bowl, then I would say try these, see if you like them. I mean, everyone's gonna have a different opinion on this. I don't know. I don't know if I like it. Like, it's not bad, but it's not good. I have the ingredients. The first ingredient is organic acai puree. I usually don't put that much acai in the ones I make, so I'm wondering if it's just like way too strong. Like, I'm not used to having that much because I just use the powder. Like, if you've seen my video, you would see I don't put a ton of it in. And then bananas is the second ingredient. I never use bananas. They don't bother me, but I don't know. I like other fruits better than bananas. Strawberries, blueberries, coconut milk. Okay. That's basically all it is. Acai, banana, strawberry, blueberry, and coconut milk. I think I can kind of taste the coconut milk a little bit, and I don't really like it. I use apple juice when I make mine, and I really like the taste apple juice gives it. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this obviously, but I don't want you to sit here watching me eat this. So thank you for watching this video. Overall, my conclusion is that I personally am not gonna buy it again. I don't know. I'd recommend maybe try it if you really like acai bowls. If you like the acai flavor itself, try it. I think it's just too strong for me. And if you like coconut milk, like, I don't really drink coconut milk. I drink almond milk, so I don't know. But yeah, if you enjoy acai and coconut milk a lot, then I think you'll really like this. But if you're more of a like raspberry, blueberry, strawberry, apple juice type person like I am, just make your own at home instead of buying this. You know, save money, it'll taste better. And when I make acai bowls, I make like way more than this little, maybe not way more, but I make more than this, so I mean, it is a lot cheaper when I make it at home with my own stuff. So that's what I'll do from now on. Thank you for watching, and please watch my other video on how to make your own acai bowl if you haven't already, because like I said, it definitely tastes better than this, so I want you to go ahead and try that one instead of this one. But yeah, thank you for watching. Sorry I keep talking. Bye. I found this spoon I dropped on the ground. It's a little disgusting looking. I should probably wash my floor.